What if I told you that you could make a real cheesy, crispy pizza with absolutely no flour, no dough, and no oven? Yes, that's exactly what we're doing today. And I'm not gonna lie, the first time I tried this, I did not expect it to work this well. We're making an air fryer white bean pizza with eggs and 2 kinds of cheese, and it is ready in just 15 minutes. No mess, no stress. Let me show you exactly how to make it. Step 1. Alright, here's everything you need. First up, 9 ounces of white beans. That's 250 grams. These are the genius base of our pizza. No flour needed, the beans do all the heavy lifting. Next, 4 eggs, cracked right on top. These bind everything together and give us that gorgeous custardy texture inside. Then a small onion, thinly sliced, a handful of cherry tomatoes, finely cut, and some fresh parsley. These small additions make a huge difference, trust me. And the cheese, 2 tablespoons of Emmental shredded right in, rich, nutty, and incredibly melty, plus 3.5 ounces of mozzarella, that's 100 grams, saved for the top, and just a pinch of salt and black pepper. Step 2. Okay, let's get into it. Pull out your air fryer basket and line it with a sheet of parchment paper. This is the little trick that makes everything so much easier. Now give it a light spray of olive oil all over the parchment. This helps the base get golden and crispy at the bottom, prevents sticking, and distributes the heat so much more evenly. Now, and here's the part I love. We build everything right in the basket. No extra bowls to wash. Start with your white beans spread out in an even layer. Now crack your 4 eggs directly on top of the beans. Right there. No need to beat them first. The yolks will break naturally as you mix and create the most amazing custard-like base. Add the thinly sliced onion, the finely cut cherry tomatoes, the fresh parsley, and your 2 tablespoons of Emmental. Season with that pinch of salt and black pepper. Now mix everything gently, right in the basket, just until the eggs coat the beans and all the ingredients are combined. You can see the colours already, that orange, that green, so beautiful. Let me tell you why white beans are such a genius swap for pizza dough. White beans are packed with plant-based protein and fibre, around 15 grams of protein per cup. They keep you full for hours, and when baked, they create this incredible, dense but light base that flour simply cannot replicate. 0 gluten, 0 flour, high protein. If you have been looking for a naturally gluten-free breakfast that actually tastes incredible, honestly, this is it. Step 3. Slide the basket into your air fryer and set it to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius, for 10 minutes. Don't open it, just let it do its magic. Oh my goodness, look at that! The edges are golden, the base is set, it smells absolutely incredible in here. Now comes the best part. Take your 3.5 ounces of mozzarella, your 100 grams, and layer it all over the top. Be generous. Do not hold back. Every single inch deserves cheese. Look at all that gorgeous cheese just waiting to melt and bubble and turn golden. This is the moment that makes the whole kitchen smell like a real pizzeria. Step 4. Back into the air fryer. Same temperature, 360 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, for 5 more minutes. If you like your eggs a little more set, just add another 3 to 5 minutes. You're in control. 5 minutes of pure anticipation. I cannot describe how amazing this smells right now. The mozzarella is melting, the edges are crisping up, everything is coming together perfectly. Oh my goodness. Look at that mozzarella. Perfectly melted, bubbling, golden all over. This is everything. This is absolutely everything I dreamed of. Let it rest for just 1 minute before you slice in. I know, it's so hard to wait, but it helps everything firm up just a little. Trust me, it is absolutely worth it. Listen to that crunch. The bottom is perfectly set and crispy. That parchment paper and olive oil trick really does the work. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know. And subscribe if you haven't already. I share new recipes and kitchen tips every single week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy cooking.